Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm very excited to present to you all my first prototype of my offline AI assistant for rural teachers in Papua New Guinea. So this project was developed as part of the Capstone project for the 5-day AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding course with Google. So now this course is available. I'll put the link in the video description below, and it's a must. You guys have to do this course. I mean, you will learn a lot. So this is my first prototype. So basically it's running locally. It's running a local LLM. So totally free of charge, running locally on my computer. So let me just demonstrate to you how the app or the first prototype works. So basically the teachers will select a lesson from the list. So prior to that, I will have to upload the lesson plans that's in JSON format. So right now it's not part of the app. That's something that I will have to integrate in future versions. So the teachers will have to select whatever lesson plans they want to generate. For example, patterns in algebra. Then we'll select algebra, and then they'll select their topic. Let's just put the same topic, and then leave all the options as if or change whatever, and then they start to generate their lesson plan. Okay, so as soon as I click lesson plan here, this one, we have a Python script that runs, that validates the content, and then our first agent kicks in to generate the lesson plan. Okay, it takes a while to generate because I'm using the smallest Gemma 4 model. So that's the smallest one that I wanted to test to see how, the quality, because the aim is that at the end of the day, this app has to be run on a phone. So that's my final target. Okay, so it has generated the lesson plan. It looks something like this, the benchmark, etc., all the information that the teachers might need. And then once they validate, they can go on and then they generate their lesson activities and teacher notes, okay? And that's based on the lesson plan that was selected, okay? So once they select and generate lesson activities and teacher notes, that task there includes two AI agents that run sequentially. So the first one will generate the lesson activities. Once it's done, it will then go on to generate the teacher notes. So in the course, we learned that there are three types of flows. We've got the sequential, we've got the parallel, and there's a third one I forgot. But this one here, I'm using the sequential flow. So I have the one agent that runs the lesson activities. Once it's done, the second agent that kicks in and runs the teacher notes. It just goes for a while. Okay, so now we've got the lesson activities generated. The teachers can go in and sort of validate the content. And once they're happy with that, the teacher notes, as you can see, once they're happy with that, they will now go on and generate their tests and assignments. That's all linked, of course, back to the lesson plan. Okay, so once that's done, as you can see, the assessment, some quick quiz, some marking criteria. So once they validate and they're happy with the content, they can just go on and download as Word document or as PDF. So then they can go and sort of work again on the content if they wish to. So this one is in PDF Word document. As you can see, they have all their content from the lesson plans, the first task to generate the lesson plan, over to the lesson activities, over to the teacher notes, and of course the assessments. And they also have another copy that's in PDF format, right? So if they're happy with the outcome, they can just generate that as PDF. Okay, so that's like the complete lesson pack. You've got the lesson plan, the lesson activities, the teacher notes, and of course the assessments and tests at the end. And believe it or not, all this is running locally on my computer, totally free of charge. So that's the aim, that's the end result. I'd like this app to be deployed to teachers in rural communities. My target audience here and my main drive for building this is for teachers in rural communities. So I'm very excited that I got to build this app. If you are interested to learn more about AI agents, this is a great course. I encourage you guys to check it out because you will learn a lot. I mean, I learned a lot from this. So how am I running this locally on my computer? Let me just quickly explain. Okay, so I've started LM Studio. So in a previous video, I explained how you can install LM Studio and download Gemma 4 models onto your computer. Well, I am using LM Studio and I downloaded Gemma 4 E2B, and that's like the smallest model in the Gemma 4 pack. I mean, it's just awesome. So this is the free model here, the lightest one, the smallest model. So on LM Studio, you're able to sort of run that as a local server. So it's running locally on my computer, and this is what's powering my app here. And everything locally on my computer, totally free of charge. So I encourage you all to follow this course, the 5-day AI Agents Intensive Vibe Coding course with Google. I tell you, you will learn a lot from it. If you have any questions about the setup, I will also include the Git link below. You can check it out. And my Kaggle write-up will be released. I think it's going to be made available after the judges have reviewed the content. So then I will also include the link below, but I don't think it's going to be available because we submitted it and it's due on the 7th of July. And then they will have to review all the content, and then it's going to be available after July. So by next month, this will be available as well. So the requirements was that we had to do a YouTube video. That was my other first video that I did. We had to do a write-up and of course, push our code over to GitHub or Git. So that's what we did. I'll put a link to this write-up as well in the description below. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I had so much fun building this app and I can't wait to build more apps